Pakistan GK question and answer. How many stanzas are there in Pakistan's national anthem? 3. What official name was given to Pakistan in 1956 Constitution? Islamic Republic of Pakistan. In which year Pakistan became a republic? 1956. What is the meaning of Pakistan? Holy Land. According to population, which is the largest city in Pakistan? Karachi. Where is the biggest shoes factory in Pakistan? Fatehpur, Lahore. How many languages are spoken in Pakistan? 32. Where is the name of the highest peak of Pakistan? K2 Mountain. Who designed Pakistan's national flag? Amiruddin Qadwai. What is the national flower of Pakistan? Jasmine. Which is the national animal of Pakistan? Markhor. Which is the national bird of Pakistan? Chakor. Name the capital of Pakistan. Islamabad. How is Pakistan film industry known? Lollywood. What is the national language of Pakistan? Urdu. Which is the national sport of Pakistan? Hockey.